Hello guys, this is Pooja. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about sign objects. Why we need sign objects, and if you not do sign objects, what happens? In sign objects there are many types, like up to we consider for the reliable, robust, so we consider up to 9 or 10. In sign objects mainly we go for LVS and DRC. If those are clean, we can say that our chip is work fine. So sign object, it is for the validation of the chip. We can say if we check all the sign objects, our chip will work normal and it will work for long period. That's why we go for the sign objects. First one is a LVS, layout versus schematic. Layout versus schematic, it is a LVS that checks for the layout with a schematic electrically. If all the electrical correctness will be fine, it won't give any error. If any electrically is not correct or incorrect, it through the errors like opens, shorts, something like that. I will tell detail in next video. I will just give the overview of the all the sign objects. First sign objects is LVS, layout versus schematic. Then DRC. DRC is a design rule check which checks for the geometrical correctness. Geometrical correctness in the sense it will check for the width, spacing of how much should be spacing, density error, all those things will come in the DRC. Then area error also come in the DRC. DFM is a extended version of the DRC. It works same as a DRC only, but the thing is it will give some reliability and it will increase the yield. We take care more, like precautions will take care more, and the thing is it will take more area and cost may high, but yield may increase or decrease, it depends. Next sign of checks is antenna error. It normally occurs antenna error in the fabrication when we do the plasma etching. Due to the plasma etching, the charge carriers get accumulate on the metal, so it works as an antenna. That's why we call it as an antenna error. It will damage the gate oxide. I will tell you in detail next when I explain in the detail of all the sign objects. That time I will explain in detail. Just I am giving the overview of this. So antenna error damaged the gate oxide by collecting the all charge carriers. Next is latch-up. Latch-up is also one of the sign objects and very much important in this for the reliability. For the chip reliability, latch-up and antenna is must. Latch-up occurs because of short between VDD and VSS indirectly by occurring parasitic BJT, NPN and PNP in the CMOS transistor. So that we call it as a latch-up, and how it will be formed I will tell. And 6 is ERC. ERC actually come under LVS. It is an electrical rule check, and it mainly focus on electrically. Means, for example, if NMOS is in N well, so it will throw the error because NMOS should be in P well or P substrate. It is electrically incorrect, we can say that. So it will give the stamping conflict, ERC error or soft check error. So it is kind of sign of check. Then EM. EM is a electron migration occurs because electron migration will occur. If electrons start to migrate from one place to another place due to the high current density, then it forms the haloid-like structure, or voids, means shorts or opens will occur. This is EM, and it won't cause in a single day, it will take a long period. Then IR. IR is a voltage drop. Normally every metal is having the resistance, so due to that resistance voltage drop will occur. This we call it as a IR drop. So we should take care of the IR and EM also. And ninth one is a HVDRC. HVDRC is a high voltage DRC. It is also extended DRC. We consider it as a DRC only, high voltage DRC. HVDRC is the, when it will occur means, if two metals is if we having two metals of 0.1 0.1 width, but one metal is having high voltage, one metal is having low voltage, that time it causes the high voltage DRC. We should follow the DRM rule for this, or we should increase the space of the metal. Then 10 is a EST. EST is a electrostatic discharge. It is again having a three types: machine model, human model, and device model. So it will occur for the certain period of time and damage the IC. So we taken care of the EST also, and these we will do before the tape out of the chip for the validation purpose. If you have any query about this, you can ask, and I will make sure to answer all the questions. These all about the sign objects, and if you want in detail, I will make the all videos on every topic. Thank you for the watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you.